From poisonous frogs to killer snails, nature is full of hidden dangers. Get ready to meet some of the most dangerous animals you wouldn't believe actually exist. First, we have to talk about the pufferfish. You might think it's cute and round like a little ball, but don't be fooled. This fish has a secret that's anything but cute. When threatened, the pufferfish can blow itself up into a spiky balloon. But that's just the first trick up its sleeve. Inside its body, it has a powerful poison called tetrodotoxin. Just one tiny drop of this poison is enough to kill a human. And the crazy thing is, it's 1,000 times stronger than cyanide. Imagine being around someone who could kill you with just a little bit of their body. That's how dangerous the pufferfish is. And the worst part is, it can use this poison as a defense mechanism. If a predator tries to eat it, they'll end up in big trouble. So if you ever see a pufferfish, stay far away. Now let's turn our attention to the cone snail. At first glance, it looks like a pretty seashell you might find at the beach. But don't get too close. This little snail is a fierce hunter. It uses a harpoon gun to shoot venom into its prey, and it does this so fast you'd barely have time to react. Scientists gave it the nickname the cigarette snail, because after being stung, you only have enough time to smoke a cigarette before you collapse. The cone snail is so dangerous that people consider it a deadly threat while snorkeling or scuba diving. It prefers shallow waters where people tend to swim. So be careful if you're near the coast. If you feel the urge to pick up a strange seashell, think twice. It could be hiding a deadly secret. Next, we have to talk about the cassowary bird. It might look like a colorful ostrich running around the forest, but don't let its appearance fool you. The cassowary bird has dagger-like claws that can slash and hook into its prey. With one kick, it can slice through skin and muscle like it's butter. In Australia, they're known as the most dangerous bird in the world. Even zookeepers are afraid of them. Some people say seeing a cassowary bird is like staring into the eyes of a killer. They can run up to 31 miles per hour, which is faster than most cars on the road. And if they feel threatened, they won't hesitate to use their deadly claws. So if you hear a cassowary bird squawking in the forest, don't go anywhere near it. But wait, there's more. There's a strange creature that looks like an alien from another planet. It's called a platypus, and it's native to Australia. When scientists first discovered it, they thought it was a fake because it looked so weird. The platypus is covered in brown, rubbery skin and has a duck-like bill. But here's the scary part. Male platypuses have sharp spurs on their ankles. When they stab someone with these spurs, it feels like fire burning under your skin. And these stings can last for weeks. The good news is that they usually only sting when they're protecting their young. But if you happen to get on their bad side, you'll wish you had never met the platypus. Finally, let's discuss the golden poison dart frog. It's a tiny creature that looks like a shiny jewel. Its back is golden, and it has blue, red, and green spots all over its body. But don't be fooled by its beauty. The golden poison dart frog has a deadly secret. It's one of the most toxic frogs in the world. Just one frog has enough poison to kill 10 grown men. The poison is so strong that it can even kill a jaguar. Imagine being attacked by a swarm of these tiny frogs. You'd better protect yourself. Native people used to put this poison on their arrows and darts. They would take the poison from the frogs and mix it with other substances to make it even stronger. Then they would use these weapons to hunt jaguars. The golden poison dart frog shows that good looks and danger can go hand in hand. Don't let its cuteness fool you. In the animal kingdom, danger lurks everywhere. From poisonous frogs to killer snails, nature is full of surprises. And these are just a few examples of the many dangerous creatures that exist. But the truth is, these animals are simply defending themselves and their families. They're just trying to survive in a world that can be just as harsh and unforgiving as it is beautiful. So the next time you hear a strange noise in the forest or see an unfamiliar creature on your travels, remember that it may be best to admire these dangerous creatures from a safe distance. After all, it's their world too, and we're just visiting. Now it's time for me to ask you, which of these deadly animals would you want to encounter? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this journey through the world of dangerous animals, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.